Good morning. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I was going to let you know about, I see how all the rain we've had has covered up my deck. It's gotten so high that it's covering up the whole steps down to my yard. It's covered up my yard.
It's risen about 5 foot.
It's risen about 5 foot in the yard. And this flower bed here is completely killing these plants right here.
You got this thing across here, it's done something up to you.
I'm not even sure if there goes the ducks over there. If you can see them. Not even sure how this is going to come out. There's a turtle sticking his head out of the water. Probably can't even see it.
Zoom them ducks in over in the middle.
See that turtle jump? I know this is shaky. I'm trying to... There goes the ducks across the water.
Zoom them ducks in.
You see the ducks? I'm out of breath already this morning. Can't breathe in this heat. It's hot out here already. But this sure is a mess. It's covered up my steps all the way up to the thing. It's coming all up in the yard. It's killing all up on the trees. There is some fish in here. Killed that tree over there last year. It's probably gonna kill my palm tree right here.
Almost on her.
Because this whole palm tree is in the water.
Water don't usually get to the lower deck.
But water never even usually gets to my lower deck here. I wish they would drain the big lake so this lake would go down. Of course, thank goodness I'm up higher than normal, or I would have a mess. But there is water everywhere.
There's water come up over in his yard.
Water in my neighbor's yard. I know that I'm moving. I was trying to find the ducks again.
They gone around behind you.
They've gone around behind the bushes. But isn't this a mess? Covering up my tree. This is just a mess. I wish I could know what to do. This is a young Rosa Sharon, and I don't think it's gonna make it with all that water. We need to replace this bottom deck, but we can't afford it, so it is what it is. We'll probably, I guess, just have to take it down. But it's such a beautiful place, so I guess I shouldn't complain too much. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I'm sorry that this was so shaky. But see, it's gone up into the neighbor's yard. I mean, usually the yard's all the way down there past these trees and stuff. So this rain that we've had, it's rained about every day for a month. Thunderstorms, and I'm talking about raining hard. So it needs to start raining so I can get out of this house. But anyway, everybody have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. My husband's over there feeding the fish. So I'll record that another day.